Hey loves, I'm Lane Fable and today I partnered with Bedhead Styling to show you how to get the perfect loose curls. I'm going to be using the Head Curlipops 1-inch styling iron. So I'm going to take a section of hair and start below the root at the bottom of the barrel and curl the rest around it. For more of a loose beachy wave, leave the very end of your hair straight. I love that this wand has a large switch so you don't accidentally turn it off in the middle of curling your hair, which is such a pet peeve. Also comes with a full glove to protect your hand from the heat of the styling iron. You can also alternate which way you curl, towards your face or away, so the curls don't all sit together. And then last, shake out the curls. This will help give you more volume. I kept the bottoms very straight to give the loose, beachy curls. And then you have the perfect loose bedhead curls. Thank you loves for watching.